Semi-automatic swing arm type pneumatic deluxe tire changer with wheel lifting device. Installed to the machine. Connect the power supply and air supply. Treat rotation paddle. Lift the rotation paddle. Treat lifting brace paddle. Treat bead breaker paddle. Bead breaker shuffle braces tire. Loose bead braking turns to original position. Adjust the left helper arm. Adjust right helper arm. Remove belt cord. Press tire loose. Load or unload wheel with lifting brace. Put con and threaded rod. Adjust quick release nut. Right helper arm presses tire. Lower the mounting head to the wheel rim and locked. Lift the right helper arm tire pressing roller. Press tire on a different position. Smear tire lubricant oil on tire bead. Insert lifting lever between the mounting head and tire bead. Move the tire bead above the mounting head with lifting lever. Mount tire top layer. Helper arm horizontal rod roller lifts bottom tire bead. Move the tire bead above the mounting head with lifting lever. Rotate the turntable to mounting and below tire bead. Smear lubricant oil on the tire bead. Put the tire on the rim. Mount tire bottom layer. Lower the roller of right helper arm. Lower tire pressing head of left helper arm. Put the tire top bead between rear top and front bottom of the mounting head. Rotate working platform. Mount the tire top layer. Inflate tire.